Good morning, everybody. I am going to go through chapter 25, the assignment you had, just changing it a little bit so that you can give it a try on your own if you haven't, or you can see any mistakes that you made so you know how to do ending inventory. So here's the same problem you guys all have. The only thing I changed here was to make it 12 bikes instead of 15. So it's the same problem as yours. You're just going to do it for 15 bikes. So let's talk about how to figure out ending inventory. I got to know how much it costs, and all my answers should be close to the same. So to do the specific identification method, I need this stuff down here. I won't be able to do it without these answers or this information down here. So I'm going to start with equals. There are 2 units left from January 16th. So I'm going to do 2 times the January 16 cost plus there are 3 left from July 27th. So 3 times July 27th. And there are 4 left from September 25th. So I'm going to get this 4 times September 25th. And there are 3 left from November 27th. So 3 times November 27th's cost. So by adding these numbers up, it's going to give me the actual ending inventory amount for those 12 bikes that I have left. So that's the correct price, but I won't always use that method. But all my answers should be somewhere close to that. If one of your answers isn't close, then you want to redo it to find out what's going on. So FIFO says first in, first out. First stuff is gone. The oldest stuff is gone. That means I have the newest stuff left. So if I have 12 things left, then I'm going to have all 8 of these, so that total, plus I will have 4 more from this total because 8 plus 4 is 12. So I'm going to do 4 times the cost here. And I could have done 8 times this cost and then 4 times this cost, but that total is the same thing. So that is what I get for FIFO. LIFO, last in, first out. These are sold. So that means I have all 5 of these top ones left. So I'm going to grab that total. But that's only 5. I need to get to 12. So I need 7 more. That one is 8. So I have to just multiply 7 times the cost here. And that'll give me my cost for LIFO. You can see they're all within the same area. And then weighted average has to be between FIFO and LIFO. So first I have to find out the total units that I had. So I'm going to do a sum to add these all up. And then I'm going to do a sum of all of my totals. And then I can divide them. My total amount I paid divided by my total units is going to give me an average price between $250 and $265, which it does $257.65, which is the same thing you'll get on your homework too. So then I take that number, and I have 12 units left, so I multiply it by 12. And that number should be between 3007 and 3168. And it is, and I'll move my decimal 2 places over so that it's just cents. So that is how you do this method. So if I returned it in your homework, please give it a try again. Ask if you have questions, but see if you can get that in today so I can check that out for you. So hope you are all doing well, and I will talk to you all soon.